everyone, welcome to my channel. This side Priyanka. Today basically I want to give you a small presentation with those people, generally those who are completely the beginners in the world of makeup, and those who are not at all keen actually in using the eyeshadows, and they don't even know how to use the eyeshadows and all these things. It's especially for them. Okay, so girls, let's watch how I'm doing it. Okay, so I have already added a moisturizer, okay, and the Vaseline also I have already added. As I've told it to you, the Vaseline and the moisturizer, means the balm, is very much important, okay, for your lips as well as for your skin before starting any kind of makeup. So what I will going to do, the first and the foremost thing what I will going to start is I will use the primer one. Okay, so here I'm using Nykaa Prep Me Up. Okay, so I have used it in my early videos also, and I will be using it also in my future videos. Okay, so in my all the upcoming videos you will find that I will be using this one, unless and until if I'm not buying a new one. So as I've already told it to you, like, I am not a professional makeup artist, so in that case you won't find like many like different primers in my makeup kits. I'm using one or two makeup. Earlier I used to use the Blue Heaven one, so right now I'm using the Nykaa one, and it's working pretty well actually. You can try this one. Okay, you won't be getting this thing in US, but my Indian friends, you can try out this Nykaa one. This is doing pretty good, pretty well. Okay, now what I will going to do, I will be using the Milani foundation. Okay, Milani foundation is basically, it is the foundation cum concealer, this one Milani. Okay, I have bought it from US itself. I'm using, my shade is light beige 03 I'm using. Okay, just see how much I've taken, just see, a very little amount. Okay, so as this one is the primer cum concealer, okay, so what you will take out the sponge which I have taken, it's a moist one. Okay, so see, I am putting it, I will just dab. Those who are comfortable with the brush, they can use this brush also. Okay, this type of brush, see. Okay, so whatever you are comfortable with you can use. I'm comfortable with the sponge actually, so that's the reason I'm using the sponge. Okay, so yeah, okay, so this will be, as I've told it to you, this makeup will be completely for those one who are completely snobbish in the world of this makeup world. Actually, for them actually it's a very simple one. Who are not at all keen enough to use any kind of eyeshadows, it's for them actually. Okay, just see how I'm doing it. Okay, so it's done. Now the next part what I will be doing is, I will be doing my eyebrows. Okay, for eyebrows I will be using Miss Cleary, the brown one. Okay, so generally this color is the brown one, see. Okay, so what generally I prefer, I have told you in my earlier video also, like I prefer the brown color because it goes pretty well with the Indian skin. Okay, with our complexion. Okay, so I generally please try to oh, don't see my all those hairs actually. Okay, so first the upper line, then the lower line, and then just normally fill it up. Then again, first upper line, try to ignore my eyebrows because I'm not yet getting an opportunity, you know, all the salons and all these things, though they are open, but I'm not finding enough confidence to visit those parlor. Somehow I have a very little growth, so it's not at all difficult for me. You will be surprised to hear, like, this thing I have done during the time of puja. on the month of October itself. Okay, so see, I've done with my eyebrows. Okay, now the very next part, what I will be doing, I will use strobing cream. Okay, so strobing cream, it's a strobing cream from Wet n Wild. Its name is, my shade is Migaglo Hello One. Okay, and this strobing cream is just awesome. I have told it in my earlier video also. It's just simply awesome. Okay, so just see, a very little amount I will be using, and I will put it in my nose. I'll put a little bit on my nose part. Okay, just here I will be using fingers. No brush, no sponge, this thing. Just see. Whenever you are using the strobing cream, you should try to use it with the fingers, because I think, because brush and sponge, fingers, it's like you cannot compare fingers with other things. It's blends so well actually. Just see how the effects, how it's comes like. Just see. Okay, so next I will be using my Maybelline Compact, for which I'm using the shade 130 Buff Beige. This is my shade. Okay, so you please check the shade and accordingly, and please buy it accordingly. Okay, I have bought it from here itself. You can say like I'm addicted to this one. Generally I don't use BB cream or CC cream, frankly speaking. So while going outside, while I'm in a hurry, I'm not in a position to do makeup and all these things. Normally I put moisturizer, put sunscreen if it's a daytime, and just use compact and just go out. Okay, so but as I've told it to you, this is my all-time favorite. Okay, so one thing I must tell it to you, you should apply foundations and everything on your throat also. Okay, fine, because that one is very much mandatory. Okay, because as I'm wearing a high neck, so it's not required right now. Okay, so the next part I will be doing, I will be putting here, I won't be using any kind of eyeshadows. As I've told it to you, this makeup is basically for them who is not at all, who never ever even feel keen enough to use eyeshadow. It's only for them. So here I am using this kajal is from Faces Canada. Okay, it's a very nice one. Okay, see, so what I will going to do, I will going to basically next I will going to use mascara. Okay, so as I've told it to you, I won't be using any kind of eyeshadows. So here the mascara and this kajal plays a very important role. If anyone want to smudge this one, means kajal, if you want to smudge, you can go ahead and smudge it. Okay, but today I will not going to use, I will not going to smudge it. Okay, this is the basically the liner mascara which I'm using is the, see, the Maybelline one. It's a falsies. Okay, you can see how it's coming around to. My eyelashes are not so thick actually, not at all thick. So this falsies is really working great. I must tell it to you. See how it looks like. See the side part. You will be able to see like. It's coming so well, man. Okay. Then the next thing what I will going to do, I will today, as it's completely on the face makeup, so I will put much more emphasis on my face. So I will use a blusher today. Okay. So the blusher which I'm using is from the AOA Studio Wonder. It's a big highlighter. I have bought it from one of the shopping mall, that is a Stonebriar Mall, which is located very nearby to our place. It's working pretty well. My shade, this one I am using. It's a pink shades. Okay, rosy pink shades I'm using. So basically, what I will be doing, you know, I won't be using any. I will be using this fan brush. This is a fan brush. Okay, you can see. Okay, this is also I bought it from the AOA Studio. Okay, the products are pretty good, you know. See, you just follow this line. Okay, just make the face. See how I'm doing. See, it's such a nice color, the red, the pink shades. Just see the shades. I really love these shades. Okay, just tap it a little bit here. Okay, fine. I'm putting my nose pink. Okay, see. Okay, so today I will go with this lipstick, and I'm just thinking which shade should I go ahead, because as this makeup you can understand it's totally it's a very simple one makeup which I have done today. So I will be using my this shades. This is from, I've bought it from Color Essence. This shades, if you are in India, you can check with them. It's pretty good. This shade is Nude Magic. Okay, HP2. I'm trying to keep it pink. See, it's already done. Okay, so my makeup part is already done. So if you're going outside, if it's a daytime or if it's pretty hot, I would suggest you to always, you should use a setting spray. Okay, so I'm using Wet n Wild. It's a natural finish. I have bought it from the Walmart itself here. Okay, you will be getting in Target also, or you can, if you're in India, you can check with Nykaa. Okay, so I have bought the Photo Focus one. Okay, so just see how I am putting the setting spray. You should keep it like this. Just lift your head and just spray. See? So that's all for today, girls. Please let me know that whether you have how you are, whether you're liking these videos or not. So it's nothing but it will be an inspiration for me also, so that I can create as much as more videos possible, especially for the beginners, because I'm concentrating more on the beginners here. Okay, because and especially for those who are not getting a time to go to the parlors to do all this kind of makeups, they can do it in the home itself. Okay guys, so that's all for today. Please take care of yourself, and it's a small request, put as much as like as possible, and please subscribe to my red bell button, that is a ting 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 button. So I will be eagerly waiting for your subscription. Okay guys and girls, okay fine, thank you so much for watching my video. Bye bye, see you.